Hello, my loves. I have a question for you. Have you ever seen a gold Christmas tree before? I hope you said no, because in today's DIY, I'm going to show you how to make a gold Christmas tree. Very basic and inexpensive materials is what you will need. Starting with 3 white Christmas trees that I found at the Dollar Tree store, gold spray paint, and of course, ornaments to decorate the tree. These trees are actually great for DIYs. They come with its base and its little stands so they can stand right up on its own. And for the price of just $1 each, I don't know about you, but that is a great deal. To get them ready for the spray paint, I am going to separate the stems apart as I am doing right here. This way I can lay them flat to paint them. When you are ready to spray paint, don't forget to be in a well-ventilated area. I placed ad papers on the floor and it was a little windy, so I also made sure to wear a face mask. And well, as easy as it seems, just spray paint. Once both sides are painted and dry, I am going to put them together. You see how when you join the branches together, there is that empty space in between each stem layer? That is where I'm going to place the other 3 layers to fill up those gaps. With its own stems, I'm going to wrap the middle posts and join them together. I'm only going to do this in 2 places, bottom and middle. For the third tree, I'm going to wrap them in the middle and top part. To add the other tree, I actually turn these trees over and place the third tree on this other side. This way the branches are well distributed around. Now that I wrap them up, I'm going to fluff them out, and as you can see, you will begin to see a lot of white. And that is why I spray painted it again to cover all that extra white. And I know that you might start thinking, well, couldn't I have just joined them first and spray paint them all together? Yes, you can, but I thought it could have been just a little easier to spray paint them, it being flat on the ground rather than just up in the air. And well, like I said, it was kind of windy, so it was just easier for me to direct the spray paint toward the ground. Before you bring in the painted tree, I definitely recommend you leave it outside. Not just for it to dry, but just so that way the smell kind of lingers away, because it is very strong. We all know spray paint is strong, and we don't want anyone in our household to get a headache or just have our home get all stinky. But when you bring it in, it's gonna look like this. Oh, isn't it so cute? The way I set it up, it actually became quite tall. Let me show you. It is 24 inches, 2 feet, okay? That is quite tall. Just the way I set it up, so you guys could be able to do it just a little shorter, taller. You guys could play around with the design. Now comes the fun part, but for me, it might be the most complicated part. And that is the color combo, the design, the pattern. For me, it is quite complicated because there's so many to do and I can never come up with my mind. So for this one, I wanted to maybe just go a little classic, just because it's all gold. And I'm thinking, well, if it's all gold, I could just add some red ornaments. And then eventually, knowing myself, the next few days, I'll probably go a little crazy. And I'll be like, you know what? I could add another color to it. Which I know I'll probably do it. But for now, I'm just gonna go classic. Red and gold. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video and get inspired for your next DIY. For more videos, hit that subscribe button, and I wish you and your family a very happy holiday. Bye, my loves.